For this lesson, we'll be discussing about the properties of cylinders, cones, and spheres. In the previous lesson, you have been familiarized with solid figures with straight edges and flat surfaces. In this lesson, you will learn to visualize solid figures whose surfaces are made up of curves. The first one is a sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional round figure like a ball, and it has no edges or vertices. It has only one surface, all of which points are the same distance from the center. This fixed distance is the radius. It's the radius of the sphere. The distance from one point of the sphere to another, passing through the center, is the diameter of our sphere. The next one is the cylinder. A cylinder is a solid figure that has three faces, two circular bases, the one on the top, and then the one at the bottom part, and one curved face on its body. It has two edges, the circles lining its bases. So this one, and then two. And it has no vertices. A cone is a solid that has a circular base and a curved face on its body and a single vertex. So, if the vertex is directly above the center of its circular base, just like this one, we call it as right cone. If it is not, it is called an oblique cone. An object that is shaped like a cone is said to be conical. Let us identify the figures, what type of solid figures they are, and their properties. What kind of a solid figure is the empty can? Show below. And how many faces, edges, and vertices does it have? So the can have two circular bases and a curved face. So this is the first circular face. And then at the bottom part is the other circular face. Thus, this kind of solid figure is a cylinder. A cylinder has only one curved face on its body. It has two edges lining the circular bases, and it has no vertices. Identify what kind of solid figure is the image shown. How many faces, edges, and vertices does it have? This image that you can see here is that of a traffic cone. A cone has two faces, one curved face on its body, and a circular face. It has only one edge, the circle lining the circular base, and it has one vertex directly above the center of its base. Identify what kind of solid figure is a soccer ball. If its radius is 11 cm, how long is its diameter? Take note that a soccer ball has no edges or vertices. This kind of solid figure is a sphere. Remember that the diameter is twice the radius. Since the radius is 12 cm, then the diameter will be 22 cm. Efren is a billiard player. What kind of solid figure are billiard players using to play the sport? A billiard ball has no edges and vertices, just like what you see here. Thus, this kind of solid figure is a sphere.